Hello, my name is Nicholas Tan. Today I want to talk about a topic, how to use Facebook Live to market your business. Let's continue to explore last 4 marketing ideas using Facebook Live. Entrepreneurs Grow Challenge. Number 9. Entrepreneur launched the Grow Standards Challenge earlier this year. This was the series of live videos throughout the program of 5 weeks. Each video provides video advice and insight from growth setting experts. In the description area of each video, entrepreneur introduce the speaker after the offers 2 calls to action. The first call to action is the register here link. This is ideal for viewers that has just found the series via Facebook Live, as well as haven't had a chance to register for the challenge yet. The second CTA welcomes viewers to join the Facebook group Entrepreneur set up for this challenge. By signing up with the group, viewers get access to an exclusive worksheet. Key takeaway: place a CTA or even 2 in the description of every live stream. Tell viewers what action you want them to take next, and provide an incentive like a worksheet to motivate them to click. Screenshots located at the bottom of the page. Number 10. Land Rover's 2080 Roller. Whenever it comes time to launch their newest vehicle, Land Rover live stream the event from New York. This makes sure that thousands of viewers who couldn't be there personally were able to enjoy the experience. The video starts with a performance by Ariana Grande, a well-known pop star, before launching the 2018 Roller. Later on the event, there's an interview with Gary Mulgavin, the Chief Design Officer, who shared his vision with viewers. Key takeaway: when your brand name is ready to introduce the new project, make a great deal of it and live stream the event. Show off your best stuff and let your viewers get a look at some of the behind-the-scenes work. Screenshots at the end of this page. Number 11. Skechers Labs interview with the founder. Skechers Labs was established by Helen Lim, a sports coach who intends to give his athletes alternatives to unhealthy sports drinks. He ultimately created his own brand of sport drinks to rehydrate thirsty athletes. Lately, Skechers Labs interviewed Ali on Facebook Live. This gave new fans the opportunity to find out more about the founder, and it gave older fans the chance to discover which direction the company was heading in for the future. Key takeaway: businesses can take a back to the basics strategy by interviewing key founders or other decision makers that have shaped the direction of their brand. Doing so helps viewers get in touch with the people behind their favorite products. Screenshots at the end of this page. 12. Saw Sweet Baby's Cautions. SourceFit Baby Design sells baby products like brackets, cardstock covers, diaper bags, and much more. They have an online shop where clients can buy their custom productions. However, that's not the only way the clients can buy. SourceFit holds weekly caution using Facebook Live. If the viewer wants to buy the item sold, they place the bid in the comments box. After 3 minutes, the highest bidder is rewarded the product. During a recent broadcast, the host showed off the different creation. They stopped to zoom in and explain which colors and patterns are used. Each product has a large tab with simple-to-see numbers, so potential clients know what they are bidding on. Key takeaway: businesses of all sizes can use live stream to boost revenue by holding auctions or providing discounts that are only available to Facebook Live viewers. Screenshots at the end of this page. Facebook Live gives brand names and businesses the technologies to broadcast whenever and wherever they like. But small brands know that live stream look like any other forms of marketing. It's meaningless if you are actively studying your matrix. Without matrix, you don't know if your content is truly getting in touch with your audience. Fortunately, Facebook offers analytics that are called insight. Use them to study how well each broadcast performs. As your brand name grows continuously using live stream, look for higher engagement rates. This engagement may be in the form of liking the video, commenting on it, or sharing your video with their friends. As this number keeps growing, it's a sure sign of healthy live stream. Bonus: creating computing Facebook Live stream checklist. This checklist will be in the next 2 videos. It has 5 sections. Put yourself forward. Streamline your space. Create your first Facebook stream. Find more viewers. Lastly, invite a guest to join you. The last 2 videos will be followed.